Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Farfetch promo code. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser and search here Farfetch promo code like I am doing. Okay, and here you can find different websites. So you simply need to click on 50% extra off Farfetch coupons and promo code for August. Okay, so here you can find difference. You can choose anyone according to your choice, and here you can see that expiry date is also given, so I'm going to select this one. Okay, and here you can see that you simply need to copy code, and once you copy you can use that on Farfetch. So this is the process by which you can get coupon code for Farfetch. I hope you or promo code for Farfetch. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.